What's up guys, CJ here and welcome back to another all-new Hybrid Network News Flash. In the lead up to Avengers Infinity War, many wondered whether or not Adam Warlock would appear. The orange-skinned, genetically perfect being played a huge role in the original Infinity Gauntlet storyline, as well as owning the Soul Gem for a time in the comics. Despite the character being teased at the end of Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, director James Gunn confirmed the hero would not be appearing in Infinity War in early 2017, but the reason why remained a mystery until now. Christopher Marcus and Stephen McFeely have a long history with the MCU, writing all three Captain America movies, Thor: The Dark World, and now Infinity War and Avengers 4. In an interview, they revealed that they had discussed adding Warlock, but ultimately decided against it. Marcus revealed that the setup required to introduce such a major character essentially made it almost impossible to fit him in, saying that it would have taken an entire Adam Warlock movie before Infinity War came out to make it work. The sheer number of pre-existing characters too tipped the scales, and Adam was ultimately cut out of the film. They also confirmed that Silver Surfer would have been a character they'd have liked to include, but because of the film rights and the still incomplete Disney acquisition of 20th Century Fox, he couldn't make it into the movie either. The screenwriting duo also teased that the film very nearly included, and I'm quoting here, a giant fucking snake, but they scrapped those plans. As for what they're referring to, many have suggested the Midgard serpent from Norse mythology, but what role that would have played in this film is to be determined, and we may never know. Good news though, Warlock fans, the character is likely going to appear in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. In one of Volume 2's post-credit scene, we see Aisha, the gold-skinned leader of the Sovereign, creating Adam in a cocoon and intending to use him to get revenge on the Guardians. Let me know what you think of Warlock's exclusion in the comments section down below, but that's going to do it for me here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like if you like what you saw, subscribe for more great content every single day, and consider turning on your notifications to be alerted every time we upload a new video. For even more content, check out our website at hybridnetworkyt.com, but if you love HN and want to take your support to the next level, consider donating to us on Patreon as we strive to bring you the best content every single day. Signing off, this is CJ, and I'll see you next time.